Space, it was meant to be the final frontier. Not the ultimate punchline. Astronauts Barry Butch Wilmore and Sunita Suni Williams aboard the International Space Station in 2024 were living the dream, testing out Boeing's fancy new Starliner. 8 days tops, then back to Earth with high fives and protein shakes. Except space travel, like most things, rarely goes to plan.
First the thrusters went wonky, then helium leaks decided to liven things up. Communication? Poof. Gone, like a decent Wi-Fi signal at a tech conference.
Butch and Suni weren't just astronauts anymore, they were castaways, adrift in a metal can, orbiting a planet that had seemingly forgotten they existed.
News reports back on Earth painted a grim picture. NASA scrambled for solutions. SpaceX CEO and part-time meme lord Elon Musk tweeted cryptic messages about rescue dragons.
Meanwhile, Butch and Suni, they rationed their food, tinkered with broken equipment, and discovered a shared love for terrible puns.
In space, no one can hear you groan, but they can hear you laugh. And laugh they did, because what else could they do?
Turns out, being stranded in space does wonders for your DIY skills. Forget Pinterest, Butch and Suni were inventing life hacks with duct tape and a prayer.
Oxygen supply running low? No problem, just repurpose the CO2 scrubbers. Feeling peckish? Time for some rehydrated space mush surprise.
They even managed to rig up a makeshift communication system using spare parts and a whole lot of ingenuity. It wasn't pretty, but it worked. They managed to send a message back to Earth, a message that consisted of 3 words: send more snacks.
The world, starved for good news, ate it up. Butch and Suni became overnight sensations. Their ingenuity, their resilience, even their terrible puns, it all resonated. Here were 2 humans, facing the abyss with a smile and a toolbox. They weren't just astronauts, they were MacGyver in space. After a year of cosmic misadventures, a rescue mission was mounted. SpaceX, ever the showman, did deliver on the Rescue Dragon promise. Kind of, it was more like a spruced-up Crew Dragon capsule. But hey, who's complaining?
Touchdown was rough. The reunion with loved ones even rougher. Tears, hugs, the works. But something felt off.
The world had moved on, literally. While Butch and Suni were busy battling space debris and existential dread, Earth had undergone a transformation.
The first meme war, they called it. A cultural blitzkrieg that had reshaped society in its image. Memes, once silly internet fodder, were now the lingua franca. They dictated fashion, politics, even the price of Bitcoin. Or was it Dogecoin now?
Butch and Suni, heroes of the pre-meme era, were now relics, dinosaurs in a digital age, their every utterance analyzed, memed, and remixed into oblivion.
Butch's first words upon landing, "Knew the humanity," became an instant classic, plastered on everything from t-shirts to spaceships.
They tried to adapt, they really did. But how do you explain the concept of irony to a generation that communicates solely in reaction GIFs and cat videos?
Suni once spent an entire afternoon trying to decipher the meaning of a dank Shrek-core edit.
Butch accidentally started a viral trend by wearing mismatched socks.
Their story, a testament to human resilience and the absurdity of it all, became a meme itself. A cautionary tale of what happens when you leave the internet unsupervised for too long.
Humanity 1, Suni 0.